Hey guys, it's Todd here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new YouTube video editor, because if you guys didn't know, YouTube deleted their old video editor and released a new one. It has less features, but all the features that are deleted are like in the enhancements tab of the video, I'm pretty sure. So basically, it was kind of useless putting those features in the YouTube editor in the first place, the old one. But yeah, there's not that many features in this new YouTube editor, but what you can do is basically you can trim your videos from like start to middle or like end to middle, or like take a part out in like in between the video. Like if there's a part in the middle you want to take out but leave the rest in, you could do that. So basically how you get to the new editor is you click on your profile, and once you do that you go to Creator Studio. Now if this loads up Creator Studio Classic for you and not the beta, what you're going to do is go up here, click on YouTube Studio Beta. Alright, so once you're here, go click on the videos tab, and it's going to load up your videos. Choose the video you want to edit. I uploaded a sample video for editing just for this, so just click on it. And then once you're here, go to editor, because there's now a new tab just for the editor. Now you're actually going to be here. So as you can see, this will be the video I'll be showing you how to edit. So basically this is the layout. There's a button up here that's for options. And you can see these keyboard shortcuts. You don't really need to use them though. There's an undo and redo button. This shows the time you're at. You can skip to a time as well. Yeah, these are the frames, as you can tell. So you can skip to 6th frame, or you could skip to the 10th frame. Yeah, and this is the end screens part. My video is only about 15 seconds long, so it doesn't show, but if your video was 25 seconds or longer, there would be like a button to place it, and it would just be like the same as the end screens tab for your videos. You could just choose a pre-made template, or you can just put your own stuff from a blank template. Over here, this is the zoom bar. You can zoom in closer to see your frames closer, see parts of your video. And there's like an actual audio tab, so that's cool. There's nothing really to do with it, as I'm aware of. You can't really do anything, but I'm guessing in the future they will let you add music and stuff like they do with the Creator Studio Classic. Alright, so now if you want to actually do actual editing, all you have to do is click on trim. There is not a keyboard shortcut for this, and you can just drag that a little bit. Now you can drag this however far you want. So as you see right here, this is like a part I was waving my hands on purpose. Alright, so let's say I want to start it at 2 seconds, and I wanted to end it at like the part where I stopped, so like 10 seconds basically. I could do that, and there's a preview button. This will show the parts you have not got rid of. This will just show it from the beginning to the end, like from here to here, basically here. Oh, and sometimes if it gets stuck, just press space or the play button. Editing. Just for editing, that's all. Yeah, probably for you. Yeah, and that's what have in. Now, if you want to edit it even more, you can click edit trim. And now, as I said, you could do like splits. So how about if I wanted to take like, let's just say this part out, you just click the button split. You hold this and drag it to the right or left, whatever you want to cut out. So let's say I wanted to cut like all this part out. You can click preview in it and play, and it will show the parts. Probably for you. Oh, hang on, let me do that again. Editing. All. Yeah, probably for you. So yeah, that's basically the whole video editor. You can click discard changes if you want, which will stop everything. But if I wanted to keep in the changes, what I could do is do the split thing, yeah, and the trim. What I could do is then do the preview and then click save, and then I could click save. Now it says the video is being processed, check back later. So yeah, you can now mess around with anything else on your video. You could just go on your studio dashboard, whatever else you want to do, check other stuff, maybe edit other videos, and yeah. I would not recommend this as like your prime editor, because all it really does is cutting and splitting, and splitting is just really hard to do, really. Well, time consuming. I would recommend still getting like a normal video editor. I would only use this if there's just something you accidentally forgot to take out, which is really nice of YouTube to have, but that's really all it is for. So this could take hours depending on how big your video is and how much you cut out, stuff like that. Or if it's a short video like mine, it could take a few minutes or just like 1 minute. Just depends on the size of the video. Alright guys, so now the video is done and processed. Don't mind the poor quality, I just made it low so it processes faster. So yeah, this is what it looks like after all the trimming. This is a sample video for just for editing, that's all. And probably for YouTube tutorials on the YouTube video editing. So yeah guys, that was my quick tutorial on the new YouTube video editor. It's really simple and they definitely made it for like beginners. As literally it's just trimming and adding the end screens. That is all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you found this helpful, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you around more, and goodbye.